In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo Mail from Facebook. If you've got an old Yahoo address linked to your Facebook and you're ready to tidy things up, this walkthrough will guide you clearly from start to finish. Before we begin, make sure you still have at least one other way to access your account, like another email or a phone number, so you don't lock yourself out. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Facebook, or simply open the Facebook app if you already have it installed. If you're on a browser, click the first official Facebook result to go to the homepage. Sign in with your account credentials as you normally would. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as prompted. Keep your login details private and only enter them on Facebook's official sign-in page. Once you're in, open the main menu. On many phones, you'll find it as 3 horizontal lines or as your profile picture, located in the top right or bottom right, depending on your device and app version. Tap that to open more options. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, then tap it and next tap Settings. This is where Facebook keeps all your account controls. At the top of this screen, you'll see Account Center. Go ahead and tap Account Center. Think of this area as the hub where Facebook manages connected profiles, personal details, and contact information across its family of apps. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details, then choose Contact Info. Here you'll see the email addresses and phone numbers connected to your account. Find the Yahoo email address you want to remove and tap it to open its details. Take a quick moment to confirm it's the exact address you no longer want associated with your account. Next, tap Delete Email Address. Facebook will ask you to confirm, so tap Delete again to proceed. For security, you'll be prompted to enter your Facebook password. Type it in carefully, tap Submit, and then tap Close when the confirmation appears. A quick tip: if the Yahoo address you're trying to remove is your only email or your primary login, Facebook may require you to add and verify a different email before deletion is allowed. Follow any on-screen prompts to make sure you always have a valid contact method on file. If you don't see the Account Center option, updating your app to the latest version can help. And that's it. You've removed the Yahoo email from your Facebook account safely and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher.